Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to let you know how we can store multi-line values into single variable. And then I will take output. So this is a simple example. So here I will give you two examples of multi-line values. I will store into one variable and same variable's value I will take output through the print statement, print function. So let's see how we can do it. So see here. Uh, Here my variable name is addition equal to 50, 40, 56 plus, and here I have taken backslash. Backslash means this line is combined with another line. So if you want to take value into multiple line, it's mandatory to take backslash. Then this line will be considered as a single line. Okay, then it will calculate all the value and it will store into addition variable, and then I will take output through the print function of addition variable. Same example I have taken, but here I have not taken any backslash. I have taken tuple bracket. Okay, this bracket I have taken this. These are values in multi-line, two lines, and then bracket closed. Then I have taken output of add variable. So in add variable, whatever calculation is stored, so you will get output as a 293. Okay, so let's see. I'm just writing. So here I'm just writing variable name my addition. Okay, or you can write here my at equal to, here I'm taking 30 plus 40 plus 25, and here I will take a space and then I'm taking backslash enter, and here I'm writing 26 plus 94 plus 12, and then I will take output of the my add variable. So print, and then you have to take my add variable, run it. You have to click on this run button or you can press control enter. So see here, as of now I'm getting error. Why I'm getting error? Because maybe I have taken this output, so this is wrong. So let me check what wrong here. So as of now I have not taken plus sign here, that's why you are getting error. Run it. So see here, your output is taken as a 227. Now I'm taking same example with different method. So here I'm writing my add 1. So this is the different variable, and here I'm taking bracket, and here I'm taking same 30 plus 40 plus 25, and then I will come down here and I will store 26 plus 94 plus 12, and then you have to remove extra spaces, and then you have to write print statement. So print function my add 1, run it. Your output, now as of now you are getting error. Why I'm getting error? Same issue I'm here taking here. So plus symbol I have not written. See here, now your output is same. So whatever output I have taken through this, same output I have taken through this one. So make sure if you are getting any error, then you have to check you have applied the plus sign or not. Okay, that's all for this video. Thank you so much.